How to download and install Telegram app. In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Tap the search bar at the top and type Telegram. Then tap the official Telegram app from the search results. Now tap the Install button and wait for the app to download and install. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, tap Open. If you don't want to open it right away, you can also find the Telegram app on your home screen or in the app screen. When Telegram opens, tap Start Messaging if you're creating a new account, or sign in with your existing account. Enter your phone number, tap the next arrow, then enter the verification code sent to your phone. After verification, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your profile, and you're ready to start using Telegram. That's it! You've successfully downloaded and installed Telegram on your Android. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.